Welcome to Zoology Wala Super 60. Today we will see what are the heart sounds in human being. Generally, tricuspid valve and bicuspid valve followed by pulmonary valve and aortic valve. Four valves are present. So the flaps in the valves, if closed, four sounds should come. But we are able to hear two sounds, lub, dub. It means pulmonary valve and aortic valve will close simultaneously. Similarly, tricuspid valve and bicuspid valve also closes simultaneously. So the closure of tricuspid and bicuspid valve almost at the same time causes the first heart sound S1, lub, and closure of pulmonary valve and aortic valve almost at the same time causes the second heart sound, dub. In addition to these two sounds, some more heart sounds are also there. I will reveal that secret in my coming videos. Thank you. That's all about this video.